what's up guys? This is Jaden and welcome to my vlog. Today I'm going to teach you how to grow your connections in LinkedIn. Sorry about that noise. People are working in the neighborhood and I hate it as well. But anyway, we can do nothing about it. So let's just begin. So first thing that you have to do is to log in into your LinkedIn account. And if you don't have one yet, I made another tutorial video and I'll link it down below and I'll show you how to set up your LinkedIn, how to sign up and how to optimize it. But first, let me show you my profile. And it's a nice practice to set up your profile first, looking just like this. Optimize it the way that you want your target connections to notice it and it will appeal to them. So I'm a real estate VA, by the way. I do tasks for realtors and brokers, anything around real estate in US. So what we're going to do now once we're logged in is to look for the search bar and it's here, up here. Just click on the search box and click on people. You just click, click on that and click on the second and then click on apply and then select your target location because I'm targeting realtors from the US. Then I have to click on United States. But if your market is concentrated in Japan, then you'll have to search that one and then apply changes. So once you have selected your region of your choice or a country of your choice, just click on apply. Then add another filter which is on companies where they are currently working. As for me, there are many real estate agencies out there in US and I'm going to target Keller Williams first. And then select that one. And as for you, if your business is targeting another kind of service, then you should have a you should research on that one first before coming right down here. So you have to apply the changes again. Once you're done, you're good to go. And that filter gave me 14,000 results. I have 700 plus connections, and from time to time, as people will accept my connections, that number will grow. So the next thing that you will do when once these results are shown, you'll just have to click on the connect button. I already made connections to these people, so I'll just have to browse through the result. And also, if you're making connections, make sure that your maximum connection sent per day is not more than 80 people, so that you'll avoid being blocked or flagged by LinkedIn. So that's my advice. Keep scrolling. Later on, you also have to do this process. I know it's a rigorous thing to do, but it's important in the business. And these are already potential clients in the future. And who knows, one of them might be one of our long-term clients. So that's about it. So just click on that. This is my fifth one already. And just keep doing that. The same thing every day. And you wouldn't notice that your connections have grown exponentially. Let's see. Okay, that's about it. And let me just show you the math. Okay, so if you're planning to do that every day, that's 365 days in a year, and multiplied to 80 people, it's around 29,200 connections in a year, and probably 4 to 5 people will respond to that connection, and that's not bad at all. If you do the math again, it's 5 times 365 people, that's 1,825 people in a year. And these people will see your posts regarding your service or something related to their services, and people will share that, react on that, and you will gain more exposure and you will gain more connections. It's a multiplier effect. And congratulations once again. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, please click on the like button, and if you love it, please click on subscribe, and if you want to be notified, just click on the bell button. Thank you and keep safe, everyone.